Alright YouTube, we're here driving to the dump. I live in Glendale, so it's in Phoenix, but it's the Glendale dump that we're going to. As you can see on the back of the truck, I got all kinds of trash from the demolition I was doing for my kitchen. This is just the first trip, so this is just the first part of the demolition. I still got to get more of the cabinets done and some of the walls. Anyways, enjoy the drive. We're going through the 101 right now, going on Glendale Avenue. So you can see there's a truck right there. Well, we're just following that truck into the landfill here. Then to the left we got some firefighter training area and some police, and then we're ready for a turn. We got the prices there to the left. Then we got to go to the scale, get the truck weighed, and then I guess the first trip is free, and then if you do like more than one trip per month, then they charge you. As you can see, we're going up the landfill here, the little mountain, and that is the place where other machines are, and where you get to park your vehicle to back it in and throw all your trash away. As you can see, there's plenty of people here. It's a Saturday morning, so pretty much everybody's working on the yard, plus the landscapers and companies. And there I am. Basically it's all tile, so I try to remove it with just pulling the tarp, but it was too heavy for me, and I decided to just take out a little bit at once. Eventually it'll become light enough to pull out the tarp and empty everything out. That is my Chevy Silverado truck, and that is what it looks like when you're walking around there. The only thing about coming to these places is you can pick up nails and screws and stuff like that, and plus your truck gets real dirty with all the mud. And yeah, that's it. Just a short video for today. Stay tuned for more videos, more kitchen remodel videos this week. And don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Thank you for watching.